Hi everyone, my name is Zoe Cavada and here's my icebreaker activity. So some background information about me. I live in Saratoga Springs, New York. I currently teach up at Glens Falls High School. It's a little up north of Saratoga. I am the chemistry teacher up there. We're a small high school, so it's just me up in the chemistry department. I teach a Regents level course that is kind of ranging from sophomores to seniors for the most part. And then I teach the AP chemistry course, which is typically populated with juniors and seniors. This is my third year teaching, so it would have been my year to kind of have things a little bit more under my belt. But given the pandemic, it's definitely been back to square one. I feel like I'm a new teacher all over again. We have developed a hybrid learning schedule for this year, so on any given day, I have students learning virtually, and I have also students physically present in the classroom. We do synchronous learning, so they're learning at the same time. I don't assign assignments for the kids when they're at home, and then they do separate things in the classroom. We are learning all together. I've been very fortunate because my school is a one-to-one Google school, so all of my students have Chromebooks, and they join in when they're on their virtual days. They join in via Google Meets. Them having Chromebooks has been really helpful because I can continue to expose them to great chemistry content as well as labs. Had to get a little bit creative with the whole lab experience for chemistry given the virtual learning schedule, but having their Chromebooks has been very helpful. I can still do simulations to give them that same sort of exposure to a lab experience as well as demonstrations via the Google Meet. So although I've had to get creative, I've been lucky with the technology resources I've had available to me. A little information about my Mallet program and experience so far. This is my fifth semester. I started in the spring of 2020. I chose the Mallet program because I'm really interested in getting exposed to different resources and technologies to embed into my curriculum to make my content more meaningful and applicable to real-world applications for my students. Find students come into chemistry nervous and scared, and I want to engage them and get them motivated. So I think any resource I can use to help with that would be great. I also think giving them exposure to 21st century skills to get them prepared for the real world is important as well as creating projects that are multidisciplinary to kind of bring things together. So that's why I like the STEM part of this program. This semester, I like to focus on creating meaningful assessments. I think I need to do a better job of creating deeper skill level and thinking questions on my exams, as well as taking the time to evaluate my own assessments that I've already created in the past. Are they fair? Are they really assessing my standards? And for the future, how can I improve them? So I'm really excited for this semester to really dive in and look at data and collect data on my own assessments. And I look forward to working with all of you this semester. Thank you.